showing you how to. We're going to show you how to make an outro and intro. I'm gonna cut this bit. So first you have to go to Panzoid. It's a website that you have to do, and then you have to go to creations. Okay, you can choose any intro, or okay, you can choose any intro you want, but you have to. But the only thing that you have to do, you have to you have to make it yourself. But people, I can help you in the comments. Just tell me a question you have that you need to do, and yeah. So we're gonna look at this first, and then we'll see what advancements we need to do. So let's play it back to me. I think they need to fix. So they need to fix a little bit of that, but we're gonna. But we can. But we can fix this. We can fix this. So first we are going to do the like this. So we're gonna put like this, and then let's watch it. I don't really like this one, but I can try. Let me try the truth. Okay, so I'm sorry guys if you guys can hear my brother. He's just playing Destiny, but I don't really care. So here is another intro. Okay, I like it. And it's not that good, but I mean, it's not that good, but it's pretty good. So we're gonna go look at this, but we have to find a perfect one. Cause if we can't find the perfect one, then we can't make the video. So let's go here. This is not gonna. It's not gonna put any salt. That says Corona, but we're just gonna take the Corona out because. Shush, Junior. I'm literally recording a video. You know why? Cause I'm trying to help out my family. Yeah? Oh my god. Fine. Okay, so we're gonna watch this, and then we're gonna. Not that good. I mean, I can do better, but okay. And I actually know the people who made some of these intros. So, yep.
Oh crap, he got me. He got me. What do you think he's at? Aaron, what did you break?
I didn't break anything. Okay. So guys, this one's good. This one's good. This one's good. So we're gonna go start. We're gonna go over here. Then the text, we're gonna change it to your YouTube channel name. So you go. Oh my god, my ribcage. Sorry guys. Furious. Furious X Temper. No cursing, Junior. I'm recording a video. So now go here. Now change this into the same thing.
Come here, shoot. Yeah, come over here, man. Get over here. What's wrong with you, man?
Junior, I'm literally no cursing. Actually, I'm gonna bleep it out. I'm just gonna bleep it out.
You guys didn't tell me?
You know my viewers know what bozo means, right?
What's a bozo?
Oh. They do, but I don't.
Get the hell away from me. 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 Yeah, keep it away from me. Keep it away from me all the time. Keep it. Oh! I hate people. You hate, isn't it wrong to hate people?
Yes. Stop spreading negativity. I'm trying to record a video, but you're interrupting it. You're just cursing.
Bro, how is that even fair?
I'm just gonna bleep out whatever you're saying, Junior. Because you're actually being annoying.
That's not fair.
So this is how it looks.
This is a broken game.
So guys, that's how it looks. So that's how it looks. I'm not gonna do an outro because I can't do an outro right now. Like for this, I can't. For this video, I cannot do an outro. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment your favorite color. If you guess my favorite color, I'll add you on PS4. And yeah. So let's see if you can guess my favorite color. So yeah, see you guys next time, and goodbye, and have a good day.